So that is all about the our work process and things. So you just place the order on Fiverr, then our team member will accept it, and we will work according to your demand. So if you have anything to know, feel free to ask our team member through his Gmail or WhatsApp number or Fiverr. Then we'll guide you and we will contact with you.
Gotcha. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. So my name is Farabi and Raju Ahmed and me, we are teammate and we have a big digital marketing agency and we do social media marketing, YouTube SEO, Facebook ads, Google ads, and website SEO related work. So at first I want to introduce our agency to you, ma'am. Can I share my screen?
Yes, sure.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, ma'am. This is our website, fsdfreelancehelp.com. In this website, you'll find all of our contact informations and all about us. And if you scroll down, then you can see my picture is attached here, and I am CEO and founder of this institute. And we have lot of work history previous. We previously worked. If you go to our client meeting sections, then you will find there are a lot of client meeting we have performed. And if you go next page, then you will find more and more buyer meeting. As you see, these guys from USA, he hired us for $500 work. This guys from China, this guys from USA, this guys also from USA, this guys from France, this guys from Czech Republic, and maximum of our buyer from USA. And we have a lot of skilled freelancer and worker working in our agency. If you go to our team sections, then you will find there are a lot of skill guy working in our agency. And if you go next pages, then you will find there are 300 plus skilled freelancer working in our team, and they work beside our team. They work on Fiverr and Upwork also, and Razu Ahmed is one of them. So we have a YouTube channel also. This is our YouTube channel. On this channel, we have gained 221K subscriber and uploaded 182 videos. And if you go to our videos popular sections, then you can see 1.7 million views, 9 lakh 53K views, 5 lakh 93K views, 5 lakh 80K views, and many more. And all of the views we have gained organically with the YouTube SEO. So recently, our team member has talked to you about your social media management and to rank your website on Google First Page. So we will assist you. So if you have anything to know, then you can ask.
Not at the moment. No.
Okay. So basically, if you want to grow your business on social media platform, like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and many other social media platforms, then we can assist you. But we know the strategy how to grow on social media a business, and we also can set up a Google Analytics for your business.
Okay, gotcha.
Okay. If you give us informations, then it would be better. But some of our clients do not want to give access or permissions. So we do not force to give access or permissions. So if you do not want to give permissions, no problem. We can run an ad from our site, from our cards. You just pay the payment, no problem.
Mhm. But I thought I gave access. I thought I made him an admin to the Facebook. That's what I was asking.
Yeah, it would be very better.
No, what I'm saying I did. We went through this. I gave him access to the Facebook. What would be the cost of this to run the Google ads?
Okay, ma'am. For creating ads, we want to work with our clients as a long basis, and we will do the best service we will provide for our clients. So, budget is not the factor. So, uh, ads budget, I mean, how many days you will run the ads, and how many people you want to target or reach, and what is your daily budget you will give us, then according to your demand we can set up an ad or creating an ad. But our ad creating search per ad creating is 30 USD.
30, you said 30 USD.
Yeah, it's ad creating search, our search.
So the $30 is every day or is
No, no,
every week?
not every day. uh, when you create an ad, just if you create an ad per week or per month, then you have to pay per ad basis $30.
Okay, so $30 for the Google ads.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. per ads. So that is all about the our work process and things. So you just place the order on Fiverr, then our team member will accept it, and we will work according to your demand. So if you have anything to know, feel free to ask our team member through his Gmail or WhatsApp number or Fiverr. Then we'll guide you and we will contact with you.
Gotcha. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. So thanks for your time. So thanks for your time and hope to work with you for a long time. And bye for now.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Yeah. Bye bye.